guys, welcome back to my channel. Ako ulit to si God. So magandang araw po sa inyong lahat at mga kaibis, mga bayan at ng Pilipinas sa buong mundo. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. It's a long weekend Memorial Day, so alis tayo, family day, kasama ang pamilya at first time na bebiyay ang ating sasakyan. So it's gonna be from LA to Napa Valley up north area and back to Napa to LA. So more on scenery at saka tignan natin yung mga huge charging station ng Tesla. So sa Canon at saka sa iba pang mga charging ipipicture natin para makita nyo kung saan yung mga big spot ng recharging station ng sasakyan. At saka isa pa yung kung ano ang magiging performance niya since it's first time mag long drive. So at the same time family trip na rin, so we're gonna stay there for a couple of days. Saka bibisita tayo ng mga relatives at the same time. So yeah, samahan nyo ko. Okay, we are here somewhere Castic Lake.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay, go.
It's a nice ocean, nice mountain. It's uphill. We're using a lot of battery. Okay, balik tayo sa video. Medyo malayo na kami. Nandito na kami sa, we are heading Kettle City. Another 49 miles. So now I'm using the basic autopilot of the car.
Does not feel good.
Basic autopilot. So we are on the max 80 miles an hour. So the freeway mapping is 70 miles an hour speed limit. So nai-enjoy natin ang kanyang autopilot feature. I have to put my hand, gusto kong iparamdam sa kanya na nandito ako. So kung nakita nyo, nagbo-bluish siya, nagbo-warning na, hey Mr. Driver, are you still awake or you're sleeping? So you have to touch the steering wheel para ipaalam niya for safety na okay, I have to continue your request to have a basic autopilot. Stretch mo yung kamay mo, pero napagod ka pag mga 5 hours, 10 hours drive. Stretch. Balik mo lang. So makakita kayo ng about family vlog. Itong mga anak ko, asawa ko, pamilya ko. Yan natin siya. Wala akong ginagawa. Yung paa ko wala. Yung kamay ko nandyan, nakataas kamay. Siya lang nagdadrive. Show my hand. Siya lang. Wala.
Okay. Go.
Mag-warning na siya pretty soon.
Go.
I set a 5 cars margin sa car in front of us. So bibitawan ko. Kita nyo kung na-reach na niya yung 5 cars. I think that's the 5 cars. Nagbabawa siya mag-isa. Hindi ko siya binibrake. Kusa lang siya ulit na nagbe-brake. Ito siguro ang gustong kong feature ng kotse, dahil nakakapag drive mag-isa at natutulungan kanya kahit paano. So enjoy the rest of the trip at sana na-enjoy niyo yung view. Okay, see you later. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Nandito na tayo sa 2.7 miles before the Canon City. So we're gonna do our first charging. So we have a 29% battery life. So again, so simula nung nagpaalam ako sa inyo kanina, naka autopilot ako. So it works well. So medyo na wala ang aking pagod sa pagka-accelerate, tsaka nakapag-stretch ng konti. Kumain pa ako ng sky breaks, kainom ng tubig. So effective ang autopilot, accurate, at saka very helpful. It's charging time. We have to put some juice on our car.
Now take exit 309 on the right.
Instead of gas, have to put power. Alright,
Cool.
we are here mga ka-EVs.
Supercharger as in super? Like
It's
super
quick,
fast?
yeah.
Oh, this is
So this is the first time na magbiyahe si Dodge. So
Wait, this is.
nare-record natin.
Oh my god, this is cool.
So can you pick one?
Go over there, over there,
The bright, I mean the dark.
over there.
And they
Keep
do
going.
have
keep
like
going.
a,
Oh my god, look at
They
this.
do
This is
have like a-
huge.
Keep
they
going.
do have their own like a
Go take
restroom
that one over there.
probably, and
Which one?
Correct, make correct.
Okay.
that's alright. Oh, oh my.
Oh, all the 250 watts are taken.
So
So
which
we can
one?
have to do the 150.
150 is fine.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a lot of Teslas.
This is our charging place. So yan yung car. Ito ang pinakamalaking supercharger station ng Tesla. All the way. Huge. Hi Kyril. It's huge. So ang ganda ng logo. Okay. Hi. This is our logo. Oh, it's metal. Alright. So before you enter, you have to put code. So you can see the code in your car. So ibibigay niya sa kotse kung ano yung code ng door. So here's the inside. Using the Tesla Solar. Kita ko sa inyo yung loob. Ang ganda ng charging station nila. Napakaraming nag-charge. Parami na sila ng parami. Very neat. Very neat yung lugar. I think they said meron silang, yeah. Wala pala to. Restroom lang. Okay. Libre ba yung mga tubig? Hindi pala. Dati libre. Oh yeah, ito ang charging station ng Tesla. So cool. Masaya siyang coffee shop. Wow, it's cool. I like it. I like it. Oh, by the way, hindi niyo pa pala ako nakikita. Hindi niyo pa ako nakikita pala. Nawala na yung long hair. Patas-tas na ako. They have coffee, may barista sila. So exclusively for hi to my vlog.
Hi, Bob.
Hi kids.
I'm walking too.
My turn.
Range for
Okay guys, lunch break kami. Alam niyo naman pagka long drive, huwag ka nang mamili. Ano pa, di McDonald's.
Bruh, McDonald's is good. If you don't like McDonald's,
Who said they don't like it? They
I
like
don't know.
it.
What if they don't?
No, don't be suplado.
Get ranch with chicken nuggets.
Is it good?
Mm.
Okay, so kakain tayo ng McDonald's for lunch. So So it's 11:19. So nag-charge kami ng 80%. For probably less than 20 minutes. So
Close the window so the AC don't leak.
yun lang. Kakain muna kami at halfway na kami. So
We are.
yeah. Abangan nyo ulit ha. Ngayon magdadrive si Kyril, my little girl. So gusto kong maano sila ma-familiarize at saka magkaroon sila ng confidence sa long drive at saka sa freeway. But they're driving, they're good.
Barbecue.
Next is Kyla. Kuya is tired because he went to
Dude, barbecue.
10 hours drive.
Eat.
Yeah. Okay. Alright. Bye. Guys, balik ako ulit si Gads. Nandito tayo sa Giffen Cantua Ranch. It's really far. Hindi ko alam kung saan to, pero still nasa 5 pa kami. So the next stop natin yung Gilroy Hollister. So another charging place. And right now we have from 80 we have 58%. So we're doing good. Ayaw lang namin masyadong mawala kasi we are anticipating na if we are nearing the town baka matraffic, at least meron tayong charge. So yan, so nagdadrive yung little girl ko. Guys, nandito na kami sa Hayward, Alvarado Naus Road. So Union City na Hayward. So dito tayo. Yeah, dito tayo.
Hampton.
Yeah, same thing. Ate, Hampton.
Oh.
That was Hampton too.
Yeah. So check-in tayo. Then we can look for restaurant to eat. Andito na kami at ang haba-haba ng biyahe. So wrap up natin. 2 charging kami at meron kaming 58% ng aming charge. So not bad. So we don't have to spend a lot for the gas, especially right now mataas ang gasoline. And yung charging station ano siya, hindi siya ganoon kahirap hanapin at yung distance talagang saktong-sakto, kaya talagang pagbabiyahe ka, planning ahead of time bago ka umalis, alam mo kung saan ka hihinto, alam mo yung target miles, alam mo yung target area, so para maging convenient ang inyong biyahe. So yun lang, dito na kami, mag-start na mag-ikot-ikot. Okay guys, nandito ulit at may susundin kami mga kamag-anak. Magsiswimming ng mga bata. Okay. So nakuha namin ng ilang oras from LA to Union City. Umalis tayo. What time tayo umalis mga anak? Ha?
Well, I don't know.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. Parang 8 oras. Hindi kasi ang daming stop. So probably nag-consume kami ng charging siguro mga 15 to 15 minutes or 20 minutes each. So now na waste ang 20 plus 20. Sabi mo na mga 40 minutes max. So it's not bad. So I think that's part of EVs, you have to charge. Yeah. Okay, so abangan nyo ulit ang video. Bukas siguro may lakad tayo.
Address.
Punta tayo ng ng Napa Valley. Punta tayo ng wine, mag-iinom tayo. Okay, so yun lang. Mamaya ulit at magdadrive kami. Okay, hello guys. Nakapark yung car sa labas ng hotel, so we put it in a sentry mode. So makikita, check natin kung anong mga event na nangyari sa car.
Yeah, I know. That's why I
Nare-retrieve natin kung ano ang mga naganap. May nagpark lang sa side.
Okay, there.
Oh,
1, 2.
wow. Pero that's okay. Oh, be careful, man.
Again.
No, he's very careful. He's a nice guy.
Looks upset.
Upset. Okay. What else?
I'm trying to look for
What?
the kid.
Last.
Not this one. Oh shoot. Oh no.
Oh.
So there's a lot
Where's the
happened.
one
How many
where-
things?
That's cute. I like it.
There's.
I lost the one where it was a kid.
Don't delete it, okay?
Oh, this is the one.
Okay.
Look, Kyla, look.
So look at that. It's too close, and the kids are playing.
Somebody is touching the car.
He really touched the side. So maybe
Look,
you can
you'll see
check.
his- you'll
Maybe
see
you
his
can
hand.
check later. It
Why
was,
did they touch it?
I don't know. They're
Wait,
trying to
kids-
see if the charge port will open.
yeah.
Oh, there's the kids.
Yeah.
They know.
Look.
that-
Oh.
Oh, come on, boy. Don't lean on. Ah, that's okay, but pag
Look,
lang
yeah,
malaki.
he's touching it.
I think it touched.
That was today at 9:12.
Oh my god. It's really early in the morning. It touched it, huh? So you mariretrieve natin. So far
That's it.
it didn't touch?
No, it didn't touch.
Oh, good.
Oh,
Better-
here's the kid again.
Oh, don't
Fixing
take
up.
a video. The father there. No wonder there's a trash. They did
Oh
something.
yeah, that was the trash.
Yeah. They want it touch. It touch really. It touch.
No, it didn't.
So now you know never to park next to a Tesla because they can't catch everything you do.
Yeah, I guess if you put it in a sentry mode. Okay, so far, thank God, wala namang nangyari at
That's it.
hindi nagasgas si Dodge. Okay, yun. So overnight siya nag-park. You
That
can
was
put
not
in a
7.
sentry mode, and then it will record, and then you can retrieve in the next day. All right, so okay, pupunta tayo ng Napa Valley. So
I don't see it.
magdadrive tayo ng 1.5 hour from our hotel. All right, say hi guys. Good morning. Are you ready for 1.5 hour trip?
I'm in San Francisco.
Yeah, okay.
I'm coming back tomorrow.
Bye bye. Oh, look at my girls. Hi girls.
Hello.
That's my daughter. That's my baby, my youngest, my second, my son. And it's me, the old guy. Hi, saan pupunta ang aking fashionista? Okay.
Follow me.
Kyla, Kyril. Hi, how are you?
Oh, I have to
Okay.
finish my TikTok. Oh, sorry.